Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making your fist into a small, stable platform. Tuck your elbows to your ribs and rest the camera body on top. This gives you micro-stability, essential when shooting close. Once set, choose a shutter around 1/125s or slower only if stabilization is active, and pick one precise focus point on the subject. Make sure to close down the aperture slightly for depth and move your whole body, not your fingers, to reframe. Once you have basic stability, switch to live view and magnify the image 5x or more to nail critical focus on the subject's key detail. Use a small LED at about 45 degrees or a diffused ring light to wrap light around tiny textures. This prevents blown highlights and harsh shadows. If depth is limited, bracket focus in small increments or capture a focus stack sequence to combine later. Keep breathing slow and steady while you trigger each frame. To finish, inspect shots at 100% on your camera or laptop and confirm sharpness where it matters. If you see motion blur, either raise ISO in small steps or switch to a tripod because the fist method has limits. If images are soft front or back, recalibrate the lens or switch to manual focus with tiny adjustments between frames. One key troubleshooting tip: when focus still drifts, stop down 1 or 2 stops, retake, and repeat the stack to preserve detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.